This is just a very brief retrospective review of the only kinetic upright model Dyson produced, while I happen to have one for testing filtration quality. The video is linked to in the description. It's several years old now, and their mains cleaners and general technology has improved in every way since this machine, with the exception of the kinetic cyclones, which remains the best filtration system Dyson have ever made. As I've shown in the videos linked to in the description, it filters out particles so small that it doesn't need a pre-motor filter, and the post-motor HEPA filter sees so little dust in its intended lifetime that it never needs maintaining, as long as the machine hasn't been abused or neglected. As seen in the review of the final mains vacuum released after this, before the switch to cordless, kinetic tech didn't appear in subsequent uprights. While it did appear in the final cylinder model, its absence from the final upright was likely down to the costs of research and development, tuning it to a new model of a form factor which was known to be on its way out. So not all Dyson's tech made it into the final upright mains cleaner. The handhelds currently don't have it, most likely due to battery limitations, as covered in the earlier video. In short, it was brilliant, it worked, and it completely eliminated the need to rinse filters. By today's standards set by Dyson, technology has moved on. This machine is too noisy, too heavy and bulky, hard to push because the suction is so strong, doesn't handle large particles well, has a thin narrow brush bar which increases hair tangling, has too much cord hassle, and is difficult to clean stirs with. It also uses a belt to drive the brush bar, which can fail and leaves ugly unswept lines down the carpet. All these issues have been solved in their modern cleaners. Having said that, it had exceptional cleaning performance. It achieves the fastest total dust removal of any machine, but doesn't have the best first pass performance, likely in part due to the unswept path from the belt. It's good on hard floors for all but the largest particle sizes, as long as the front flap isn't down in max mode, which isn't even needed on hard floor, which enhances snow ploughing. Overall, it was a good machine for its time, outperforming the competition, but had usability issues that have now been solved. Only its kinetic technology remains unsurpassed in the modern cleaners, and is the real highlight of this machine. I hope you liked this retrospective review, and thanks for watching.